If you don't know coding and still want access to this bot, make sure you check out our site. Links in the description. Also join our Discord. We've got an active community in there, so feel free to connect.
I'm testing out a ton of ideas here, and then I'm automating them essentially. So you can see here, I got a bunch to claim in order to get my cash back. You can see 669%. Wow. 223%, and that was from 1125. I was sleeping during that time. 223%, 220%. Interesting that they're the same exact amount. 194%, 194%, 150%. I was in bed at 925, 840. So if you want trading bots that are actually live and trade for you 24/7, 1120, I was definitely asleep for that. Only 67% win though. This is the shocker here. 669% win from 11:25 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. based off of everything I show you here. Make sure to subscribe, lock in, and I'll show you everything.
Bot, and it's working. 800%, 1000%, 988%. He's got 3 seconds till it exits. It's actually exiting right now. So the sync bid actually looks like it's a solid strategy. I don't know for sure. This is only its 7th trade and it lost its first 3, but you see right here, it is exiting. Position closed via market order. Okay, it doesn't work actually. My position closer doesn't work. So, geez. It says the position closed via market order and it didn't, so it's still live. We got to loop until it actually closes. Make sure that market order actually gets in there. God, that's embarrassing, dude. So it's a limit order. Okay, so it did close. It just closed at limit here, and you can see. So this stink bid is actually fire. Okay, look at this. Okay, let's go. That'll be the solution. This will be the solution. Essentially, it will loop until it closes. Actually, now remember, we need to cross the spread essentially. So, you know, if we're selling an up, for example, we would make the price 5% cheaper than what the actual price is, and that means it would sell immediately. Okay, so we do have a little update here, and it put in a limit order instead of a market order, but it did get me out. It is, look, I put $1 in here 4 minutes ago, and then I sold for 328 plus 55, so what, about 380 plus another 328 plus another 455 plus $2. So let's see what that return was for real. So $1 in, then out 328 plus 0.55 plus 3.28 plus 4.55 plus 2 equals 13.66. Wow, dude. Wow. ROI calculator. ROI calculator, dude. $1 in and then 13.66 out. How long, dude? 2 seconds. 2 seconds, dude. Like 5 minutes. Calculate ROI. 1,266%. And if you think I'm not making that the title of the video, you're wrong.